Hello and welcome back to my wee channel. Today we're bidding on a 2018 Fiat 500 Lounge at Copart in East Kilbride. So just like, as usual, just having a look around the car, look at the images. It's in that mint or smooth green colour, which is really quite attractive. It's a lounge, so it's got the pan roof, alloy wheels. This one's got parking sensor, and you can see the damage there is to the offside rear axle, and I'm not sure at this stage, has it got damage on the offside rear quarter? I don't think it has, but because the car's so dirty, it's quite hard to tell. It is really quite grubby, so it's not helping my decision on whether to buy this car, just because I can't really see if it's a nice car because of all the dirt. But yeah, it looks fresh, and interior looks nice and clean. In fact, it looks exceptionally clean. It's only done 40 odd thousand, this car. Starts and drives, undercarriage damage. Everything looks pretty straight. Just a look under the bonnet. No other damage on this car that I can see other than that back axle and possibly that back quarter. And as you can see, it's really just hard to tell. It looks dirty more than anything else. And there's a picture of that back axle, so it's obviously bent out of shape. My guess is that this maybe skidded off the road and hit a curb or something and damaged the back axle. Aerial present, parcel shelf present, that's quite unusual for Copart, isn't it? And again, I'm looking at that back quarter, but I think it's okay. It's running in the picture, there's nothing untoward on the dashboard. There's that mileage, 44,228 miles. So a relatively low mileage car. Again, just having a thorough look round, and then onto the MOT history. So you can see passing MOT March 2025, advisory free. And then there's bits and pieces of advisories previous to that, but nothing to worry about. And then the retail price, had it not been accident damage, would be £6,800. So I'm looking to buy this car for roughly about £2,000, £2,050. To me, that'd be a good price. So here we are on with the bidding, and it's sitting at 1850, 1950, 2000. A lot of interest in this car. It's already gone beyond my 2050, and I'm thinking, do you know what? I'm not getting this car. But then I start thinking, you know, it's not that badly damaged. So is it worth a wee sort of final bid in at 2-3? I don't like going over what I decide to bid, but you know, 2-3, it's not dear, is it? If all it needs is a back axle. So it's mine at 2-3. Am I getting this car? So at this point, I've got a bit of explaining to do, because at £2,300 I was the winning bidder, and I actually got outbid, so it went to 2,350, and I decided that was way above what I was prepared to pay for the car, and I ended the video. However, I quickly thought about it, and I thought to myself, this car has got so little damage on it, I don't need to buy front bumpers, headlights, trims, everything that you usually buy with a front end damaged car. I've got none of that to buy. I've got a back axle. So I actually went on and I had a cheeky bid at £2,400, and I won the car. And I was kind of gutted that I won the car, because I more or less went £400 over what I was prepared to pay for the car. However, I talked myself into it, and I thought, it's so little damage on it, I'm going to go £2,400, and I won it. And I was happy with what I purchased. And when I got the car home, as you'll see in the rest of the video, this car was so lightly damaged and was so easy to repair, I virtually never lifted a finger. I ran the car over to the garage across the road, and they changed the axle, a bottom arm, serviced it, and then I took it for its MOT, and it passed its MOT. Literally, this car was repaired and back on the road in 2 hours. And that's my point. All the sort of Category N police that you see where they go, oh, I would never buy a Cat N car, oh, that's been so badly damaged. The damage was so light on this car, it took 2 hours by a qualified mechanic, and it was fixed and back on the road and on its way for an MOT. So when you see categorised cars, yeah, be cautious, but if you know the history, someone's shown you a video of the damage, someone's repaired it properly, it's got a fresh MOT, the place looks right, the seller looks right, and the price is right, then they can represent a really good bargain. And I hope, at least if I get one of you to take that on board and understand, Category N, Category S cars can represent a really good bargain if they're priced correctly and the seller is honest about the history of the car and backs it up with videos and images to show how lightly damaged, because you'll see in the next part of this video, this car had literally no damage on it. So that's why the video was paused, and then we'll run now from showing you that I won the car for £2,400, and then I'll give you a walk around video of the car once it arrives on site, and you'll see how little damage this car is. And there you go, we won the car, £2,400, which, as I said, is £400 over what I was wanting to pay. But by the time I weighed up the pros and cons, and I decided it was probably quite worth it. And I'm just looking at the pictures again here, trying to convince myself that paying £400 over the odds was worth it. Fingers crossed. And here we are, car's back on site, and this is a walk round. Sorry about the Scottish weather, but it's raining as a video of this, and you can see the car's dirty, but the only damage that's on there is to that back axle. There's no other damage on the car. Just needs a good clean, a good valet, and a back axle. Don't get any more straightforward a repair than this. Just having a good look round the whole car. Alloy wheels look clean, tidy, straight. Bonnet straight. No dings, dents, scratches. Really fresh looking car. Nice clean interior. So the plan with this is to buy a second-hand back axle for the car, run it over to the mechanics across the road from me, who are more sort of specialised in mechanical repairs, and get them to change out the back axle and give the car a service. And then they do that, and here we are, I'm down for an MOT, and the good news was this car passed its MOT, flying colours, no issues, drives lovely, straight as a die. And then here's the all important figures. The car was 2,956 out the door, £70 for delivery, rear axle, bottom arm, MOT, Auto Trader advert. If I were to 3,453 total, if I were to get 4,895, then there'd be 1,442 profit in this car. And remember, profit isn't a dirty word, but it's nice when it comes, when you have to do so little to repair a car, and they turn out like this. It really is worth it. And as you can see, a nice valet, and the car is absolutely mint. It's mint green, but it's absolutely mint condition, really nice. Turned out really well. It was well worth the gamble. This one paid off, and the time of filming, it's actually sold. In fact, I had it up for sale for literally about 10 minutes, and one of my customers that's been looking for a V500 approached me, and a deal was done, and the car was sold, full asking price. Doesn't get much better than that. Really clean car in that colour. I think they look really nice. It's got the lounge extras like the pan roof and the stereo controls. It's a facelift, so it's got the modern stereo system, facelifted lights, beautiful clean inside. That back seat looks like no one's ever been in there. No one's ever sat in it. Such a lovely car. Listen, just a quick one on this one. Hope you enjoyed that. This is how easy it can be and how lucrative it is for you to buy a categorised car. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one, which will be very shortly. Thank you.